Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is Friday, August 19th, and we are going to take a look at Tesla stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I'm not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. So Tesla down $18.60, that's minus 2.05%. Closed at 890.01. Post-market, we are down by 25 cents. So let's look at what we have here on the chart. For the past 10 days, approximately, we were into the upward channel and also at the same time into the congestion zone. So today we are officially out. We are officially out of this bullish channel right here. We are officially out. Now we are coming back, and now we need to rely on this channel right here that has a middle support resistance, and the body of the candle is just sitting on that support. Let's look at the 1 hour chart to understand how this happened today. Yesterday, we had lost stochastic and the stock was trying to hold on to 918 and stochastic was going further down. So it was not a surprise today that we opened at 897, so just shy of 900, and then came straight down. Came also down a little bit more on the second hour. And then we seem to be reaching a bottom right here because we started going higher from the 4th hour on. And we have been going higher from that point on, but we cannot get past this middle channel resistance. We cannot get back to it, and we don't have stochastic over 60. So this little pullback is not to be believed until we have stochastic over 60. So we could be caving in like this, or we could be going even higher right here. But until we have stochastic over 60, I would not believe that. And I would expect the stock to continue coming down. Going back on the daily chart, let's look at our indicators at 69. So still a quite good stochastic. This means we don't have stochastic on the 1 hour chart, but we have it on the daily chart. It means that what is happening on the hourly chart should only be short term in terms of hours, and because in terms of days, things are still looking good. Yes, we had the MACD crossover bearish, but that MACD sometimes gives us false signals, so I would not worry too much. We still have DMI, we still have RSI. So the overall sentiment from the daily chart is bullish, while on the hourly chart, it's still bearish. Let's look at the VIX a little bit. VIX coming back up today went high quite fast. So this is one of the reasons why Tesla came down during the day. But then it pulled back in a little bit below 2089. So this is where we want it. We want the VIX as low as possible, but at least below 2089, because this was an important support and resistance that was used in the past. Looking at the indices. So indices are not looking super good. So with Dow Jones, we have broken outside of this big downward channel. It was a shy break as I qualified it. It broke outside, but then the next day it was right smack on the resistance. And the day after was also smack on the resistance. And look at stochastic getting down. And now we really have a red candle down. We need to watch this very closely, because what this could mean is that we could just be continuing into our medium-term downward channel. We need to be careful with the stocks that we own and everything. Stochastic is still good. I am not sounding the alarm bell right now, but I'm just saying we need to be careful. Looking at the S&P 500, pretty much the same story. Getting very close to the resistance, did not reach it, as in the case of Dow Jones, but caving in. In terms of NASDAQ is having the same pattern a little bit, but the only difference is that NASDAQ came outside of this downward channel in a more significant way than Dow Jones, and now seems to be coming back to this resistance that is now becoming support. I think the next week is going to be very interesting to see if our indices are able to continue for NASDAQ outside of this downtrend and break out again in terms of Dow Jones outside of the channel downtrend. So I think it's going to be a very interesting week next week. So thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk on Monday, unless you are a member, in which case, depending on your tier, we are going to also talk on Sunday to look at the weekly chart of Tesla, Palantir, the VIX, and the indices. So have a great weekend, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.